Good morning, students. Today we again continue our chapter that is fundamental unit of life, cell. What is plasmolysis? The shrinking of cytoplasm away from the cell wall due to loss of water by osmosis. That is plasmolysis. If we take an example that occurs when plant cells are placed in dry or high salt environment. This causes cell to lose turgor pressure and causes the plant to wilt. Means due to the concentration gradient difference, what happened, the water content of the cell will come out and the cell will shrink. Now plasma membrane. This is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the content of the cell from its external environment. The plasma membrane allows or permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. It also prevents movement of some other materials. The cell membrane or the plasma membrane therefore called as selective permeable membrane. Why it is called as selective permeable membrane? Because it allows the movement of selective materials, specific materials. That's why it is known as selective permeable membrane. Next is cell wall. Plant cell, in addition to plasma membrane, have another rigid outer covering called the cell wall. The cell wall lies outside the plasma membrane, means that cell wall is the outermost layer of the plant cell. The plant cell is mainly composed of cellulose. Cellulose is a complex substance and provide structural strength to the plants, means that cell wall provides structural strength to the plant. Now nucleus. Nucleus has double layer covering called nuclear membrane. The nucleus contains chromosomes which are visible as rod shaped structure only when the cell is about to divide. Chromosomes contain information for inheritance of features from parents to the next generation in the form of DNA molecules. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. Even the gene, that is a structural and functional unit of DNA. This is the diagram of animal cell, and already we have talked about types of organism on the basis of presence and absence of nuclear membrane, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Nuclear membrane is absent in prokaryote and present in eukaryotic. Now cytoplasm. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Each of these cell organelles perform a specific function for the cell. Thanks for today.